Okay, so this is a video on how to do your 1.12 assignment. So I've already downloaded the assignment from the lesson resources. You can see that I've crossed parts of it off because I don't think we need to do all of this. What you need to copy down for me is what's in the red. So if I go too fast in this video, just pause it, copy it down, and then unpause it again. If you need help finding your assignment, you need to come to live support so I can help you find that. Okay? So for number 1, the only part of the question that you need to ask is, or answer, is what is the difference between the theme and the author's purpose? Are they the same or are they different? You can see in the red, we've already written down theme is the universal message that the author is trying to portray. The author's purpose is the reason why the author is sharing a particular story. These two ideas are different. That's all you need for number 1. You don't need anything else. Number 2, what views about what's important do most of the stories and poems in this unit share? And how do the selections differ in their views and what's important? So all you need to write down is most of the short stories share a view of maturity of a character from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. President Cleveland, Where Are You?, Raymond's Run, The Bat Poet, The White Umbrella all show main characters who have matured. That's all you need to write down for number 2. Okay, that's it. So, and I know there's a lot of punctuation going on there, so double check to make sure that you have your quotation marks where they're supposed to be, your commas in the right spot. Okay, so make sure you have all of that. Now number 3 is a little more, first of all, my number 3 came off when I was typing. Number 3 is a little different. It says name 2 pieces that share a theme and explain how each story develops this theme. We are doing all 4. So first of all, you need to copy down what's in red. Jerry, from the beginning to the ending of President Cleveland, Where Are You? Because he becomes more mature. He shows this by helping his brother go to the prom. Squeaky changes from the beginning of Raymond's Run because she becomes more mature in understanding of her brother Raymond and his difficulties in life. The Bat changes from the beginning to the ending of The Bat Poet because he becomes a more mature writer and bat. By the end of the story, he has accomplished many poems and he has decided to become part of the Bat family. The main character in The White Umbrella changes from the beginning to the ending of the story because she becomes more mature about her relationship with her mother. She understands that her mother really does love her. Now, this is the part that's not on here. After you copy this down, figure out which one of these stories that you want to write for your compare-contrast essay for 116, and note that. You can do something by just saying this one. Just write that in there. Or you can highlight it. You can go like this and you can highlight it. Go up to the highlighter up here, go something like that. You could put a check mark in front of it. So if this is the one you want to do and you want to put a check mark or a star in front of it or an asterisk or something like this, put a couple in so I can see it better, something like that. So we are going to amend the 116 assignment a bit, and we're just going to focus on these particular stories. If you have any questions, please send me an email or come to live support. So this is how you're supposed to do 112. When you are done filling out all the part of 112, you need to save it to your computer and upload it into the Dropbox. Do not email it to me. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks. Bye, guys.